Hi, this is Simon from NetClimber, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to set up your email using Outlook. So the first thing you want to do is click on File tab. Once you're there, click on Account Settings. Go to Account Settings here and click on New. And you want to click Manually Configure Server Settings or Additional Server Types. Make sure Internet Email is selected. And type in your name, email address. Make sure POP3 is selected, and in this case, incoming mail server will be my mail.netctech.com, mail.netctech.com. Username, you want to select mymail@netctech.com, the email you'll be using, and type in your relevant password. For the incoming mail server, if your website name is www.chocolatefactory.com, then just type in chocolatefactory.com, or if it's example.com, just mail.example.com. So just replace the www with mail at the very beginning and just type in your domain name as usual. That's your incoming mail and outgoing mail server. Once you've done that, click on More Settings, click on Outgoing Server, check My Outgoing Server SMTP requires authentication. So just check that and make sure you use same settings as my incoming mail server is selected. Then go to Advanced. Change the outgoing server SMTP to 587. And down here where it says leave a copy of messages on the server, you can click that for 7 days. You don't have to do it. You can also delete it. All it means is that if you don't have this set, it means that as soon as your Outlook software brings an email from your mail server, it will delete the copy from your mail server, so the only copy you have left is the one you can see from Outlook. So if you want to have your if you want Outlook to wait 7 days before actually deleting the mail from the server, make that however many days you want. Just don't make it anything above 14, because if your mail server actually becomes full, if you had 100 megabytes available on your mail server and you used all of your 100 megabytes because some people accidentally sent you really large files, then you won't be able to receive any new files. So 7 to 14 days is a good time frame. And it's also good if you have multiple desktops or computers that you work on in different locations and you want to be able to download the mail to all those different computers, then that's another reason why you would probably want to set this as at least 7 days. So I'm just going to hit OK and click on Next, and Outlook just does a brief account testing, see if everything works. Close that, finish, close this, and on the left here you'll notice that you have a new sidebar. So if you click on that arrow button on the left, currently there's no email. Of course, my Outlook just did a test right when it was making accounts, so this is Outlook testing the email to making sure it's testing Outlook, making sure it works. And if you go to inbox here and you let's test this out, and let's create a new email, and I'm just going to send it to myself just to make sure that I can both send and receive mail. So mymail@netctech.com. This is a test email to make sure that I can both send and receive mail on this email. This is the body of the email message that I am currently creating. Okay, and I'm just going to hit send, and it takes a little while for Outlook to actually receive it, because it only checks if the server has new mail every 2 or 3 minutes. So I'm just going to hit send and receive, so it does that right away. And I just received a mail, and this is the body of the email message that I'm currently creating. Okay, so I've created an email in Outlook, set one up, and it can both send and receive emails. So that's how you do it, and thank you for watching this tutorial.